How you doing? Come on in. This is our executive suite in the Ritz-Carlton here in Aruba. So let me give you guys a tour. So first, when you walk in, I'm gonna show you the powder room. So it's got a toilet, sink, and then there's a pretty big closet over here. So this closet, it's got plenty of drawers, lots of space here. And there's a table here. We actually did room service a couple days ago. We had breakfast here, fit everybody. And this living room area is pretty big. So this is a pull-out couch, so the girls slept here. We pulled the couch out for them. They slept really comfortably. As far as COVID safety, they clean and sanitize all the remotes. So when you feel comfortable, when you can open it up and know that it's been cleaned. Same thing with the glasses. So everything's in a bag. We opened these up earlier. Everything's in a bag. Just because sometimes, you know, you feel like these glasses are probably not clean as well. Bottles of water. There's a mini fridge in here. It's empty, but you know, you can fill it up and put whatever you want in there. And what's really nice is this view. This balcony is huge. So this is why you come to Aruba. It's got this beautiful view, got the ocean. This is the adult pool. And over there's the family pool. And you got all the water sports you want to do. And the balcony spans all the way through. So that's our room over there. All right, let me take you inside. Okay, let's take you into the primary bedroom. Oh, before we do that, this is we didn't use this, but this looks like a really good stereo system. I guess you can set up your phone here, and it's like a big stereo system. We didn't get a chance to use it because by the time we got home, we're so tired from doing all the water sports and everything else. But this looks really good. Next time I'll try to jump on that. And this is the primary bedroom, very spacious. TV, got all your drawers, all your stuff that you need. There's a QR code here, so if you want to do in-room dining, just scan that. And we got a work desk here. This big chair is very comfortable. Actually, I'm sitting in it. It's very wide. Like, look how wide this thing is. Look, you can sit another person here. So it's very wide, very comfortable. You can lounge here. And the balcony, same thing. There's tables here. So if you want to eat breakfast here, you can do that. And let's take you into the bathroom. Oh, before that, I'll show you the closet here. Another big closet. Safe, slippers, plenty of hangers. That's good, because sometimes you go to hotels and there's not enough hangers. So there's a lot of hangers here. And everything you need. All right, so I'm gonna show you this massive bathroom. So, you got a soaking tub here. You got your dual vanities here. And this shower is huge. Let me just show you how big this is. So, I'm 6'2", and I can do this. So, 6'2", 6 feet by maybe 5 feet. So this is a big shower. This is probably the biggest shower I've seen at Ritz-Carlton. So this is massive, very comfortable. The water pressure is good. All the amenities are good. This Asprey line, I really like it. It's the body wash, the soap, all of this stuff smells really good. So I really like it. All the stuff you need, mouthwash, toothbrushes, everything. Nice soft towels. I think this is, oh yeah, it's a hair dryer. And this is the water closet. All right, thanks for watching the video. If you want to see a full vlog of our trip here in Aruba, click down below, and we'll see you guys soon. Thanks a lot.